So,
As you guys can, sige,
oh,
sorry.
sige, ako na, ako na.
Ikaw wala.
Ano, so Dean, not too long ago, kami ni Uno, gumawa kami ng tier list on what we thought were the best food establishments dito sa Philippines. And we actually sent you yung finalized na tier list na yan. And we just wanna ask you, ano yung opinions mo? Ano yung mga hot takes mo regarding sa mga choices na binigay namin? Kasi, syempre, part of having a guest is having another perspective on things. You just wanna know ano yung take mo dito. Damn.
That bad, huh?
I see.
That
Okay.
lapses it all.
Okay, isa-isahin lang naman natin.
Oh, sige.
Jollibee, syempre, Jollibee yan eh. Pride and joy ng Philippines sa atin yan.
Mm.
Burger King, I gotta disagree agad.
Mm.
Kasi Burger King ain't the shit talaga.
Mm-hmm.
Their patty is dry. They have fake grill marks. Their bun is sad. They have too much sauce. It's, no, bumbawi sila sa size, pero size isn't everything like that.
Mm-hmm.
Shakey's, lagi naman nagsishakey sa bahay, so I can agree with this. Bang inaasar ako sa sarap. Pwede na. Kaso is it the best though? Kasi if you want inasal, but you can't eat too much rice, you could have just went to JT's. Which isn't on the list. Pero
kasi
for the only rice, it's there.
Tsaka pangmasa.
Pangmasa.
Oh.
Staple yan ng Pinoy.
Oh. Kikita mo sa madaling hapon, puno pa rin yung restaurants.
Never ako nakakitang ng mga inasal na hindi umaabot sa labas yung pila. Lalo na sa mga mall.
Oh.
Sobrang sarap.
Macdo. Kung may hot take ako sa Macdo.
Do tell.
Do tell.
Kadiri yung price nila.
Huh?
Yes.
Huh?
Thank you.
Okay. What? Okay. So,
Jollibee will always be better.
Nakaka-nauseous yung ano niya eh. Yung parang mamantika sobra. And
It's
after a
like,
few minutes, soggy na siya.
oh, it's weird. It's hard. It's oily. Ayun, nagiging soggy siya. Tsaka parang 50-50 talaga kung walang salt or kung masyadong madaming salt.
yeah.
So parang, ano pa ba yung mga items sa burger?
Burger, nuggets.
Burger ako, iba na lang. Macdo is okay.
Okay.
I think
Thank you
it's
for validating my...
absolutely amazing. I don't think it's the absolute best. Chowking, on the other hand, is the absolute best.
Yan! Thank you for agreeing. Thank you.
Siyempre kasi, man, you got the rice. You got the soup. Pag may sakit ka for some reason, yun lang yung...
Actually.
For some reason, binibili lang yun pag may sakit yung tao.
Actually.
You got the chow fan, either regular or spicy, up to you. You got dim sum, you got the laureate, or mix of everything. Don't get me started about the fucking halo.
Hindi naman ako halo-halo. Hindi ako nag-halo-halo masyado. Pero highly regarded din ang
Tsaka yung
halo-halo.
Puchi. Pouching. Hindi ko alam to. Ano to?
Yung sa food court, yung para
Dim sum to?
Ano siya? Hole in the wall na trip ng food court.
Hole in the wall.
Mga siomay.
Kasi I don't like food courts.
Damn. Oh, that's a hot take.
I don't like food courts.
That's a hot
It's
take.
like, food court dati siguro. Pero yung mga food court kasi ngayon, kunwari punta ka SM, punta ka food court, ang makikita mo, pepper lunch, nag-food court ka pa. Shawarma Shack, absolutely amazing. Talaga. Feel ko alright na siya nung nag-break sila ni Catherine.
At least sa kanila may forever, bro. Sa
Nakita mo yung
Showbiz.
isang venue ng Shawarma Shack, tinalikod nila yun. yung dalawang, yung dalawang board.
Yung dalawang standy.
Dunkin. Gusto ko iangat yung Dunkin. Sa absolutely best. Absolute best na lang.
Truly. Bilang
Di
isang...
lahat sanay sa kape.
Ah,
Yun lang naman. Kasi parang wala silang drinks other than coffee.
true.
Kenny Rogers, di ba yun yung may chicken na laging may random out of the blue flavor of coating sa chicken nila?
Ay,
Yung mga
Oo,
hindi
iba-iba.
mo talaga normally maiisip na ilagay sa chicken.
oo.
Meron nga sila yung unfried chicken. Yung
Unfried
parang
fried
bacon.
chicken.
Oo.
Oo.
So, raw chicken.
Parang ano daw, parang ano sabi niya, parang
May coating siya
it's
ng fried
fried,
chicken.
but it's
Pero
not.
hindi siya deep fried.
Oo.
Parang binake lang siguro siya.
Parang ano, parang vegan chicken. Pero chicken siya to totoo, pero it gives you the
How is the chicken vegan,
Hindi,
Mr. Rick?
hindi. Kasi, no, this is an analogy lang siya na parang yung ano kunwari, di ba? Kunwari, vegan burger. When you eat it, you think it's a burger, but it's not. Kasi gawa siya sa gulay. Yan naman, parang you eat the fried chicken, you think it's fried chicken, but it's not. Kasi hindi siya finray. Parang ganun.
Bro said vegan fried chicken.
Hindi.
It's still chicken, dude.
You
No,
get
but I
what
get, I get
meant.
what you mean.
Yes,
It's
okay.
okay. I'm
Stop
just
making a dumbass out of me. Okay? Ayan.
okay. What's next?
What's
Wala.
next?
Hot take, being vegan is pointless.
Oh, shoot! Okay.
Oh shit.
Catching strays, pero okay.
Yellow cab,
Hmm.
yeah, respectable. Hindi
Yeah.
siya best, pero it's good.
Uh-huh.